Living in the countryside is really nice. You've got some really nice old looking properties. Peace and quiet, you know, no noise, nice walks. One of the issues is being off-grid. You wouldn't consider a heat pump because you're always told it's cost. It's an oil-fired boiler, which is not really efficient. It's really difficult to plan. Sometimes you can be paying a certain price and it can change and fluctuate the next week. You didn't really think you had a solution, but it can be good news. You have got a solution. At Ideal Heating, we have a fantastic foundation in our products, reliability, service and warranty, and that's what we have for our boilers. But I can't have a boiler here because we're off-grid. So perfect was the Logic Air because I knew we have the same foundations when we have the Logic Air heat pump.
The installation on this property, the challenges that you might think that we would overcome would be siting of the heat pump. So because it's the Logic Air range and it's the R32, the clearances are very minimal. So we can position it closer to windows, closer to doors. The particular type of gas that's within the heat pump allows us to do this. So it's removing those restrictions that we might have previously had. So for specification across a property, whether it's got a minimum heat loss or a large heat loss, or whether it's a period feature property or a new build property, there's a heat pump that will suit every building. With regards to the warranty that Ideal offer, it's a homeowner warranty. So as far as the installer and us as a business are concerned, we want to fit a quality product, but Ideal are backing that product with a 7-year homeowner warranty, which leaves complete peace of mind for them that no matter what happens, they'll always have support.
We didn't want to improve or change the look of the property, external and internal. We were happy where it was. What's really important when you're doing heat pumps is making sure it's size right. So we've got an 8 kilowatt Logic Air heat pump, which meant that I could have it in a property where we haven't had external wall insulation and internal wall insulation. So if it's size right, you can have a heat pump in your property. The installation was pretty clean and easy really. So it was an 8 kilowatt Logic Air heat pump. We've got our Stelrad radiators as well to keep the house just lovely, nice and warm. If anything, it makes it hard to get up in the morning because it's that cosy. I've put my money where my mouth is. I've got my own product in my own property. I'm really happy with it. I work for Ideal Heating. I knew we'd have a good product and they proved me right. It really is a quality product.